we'd had an emergency arrival up at the hospital. A moorhen with fishing line tangled around its legs had been rushed into the treatment room.
It's really, really deep, so I'm not sure there is any soft tissue left.
Maru worked quickly to remove the tightly bound line. A loss of circulation to the feet could well be fatal.
No, I can think she can tell you This is off now, but I mean this leg is slightly better than this one. Well, let's put you on the floor and see what you can do with that. I mean, the soft tissue is really damaged, but there is still some blood supply, otherwise she won't be able to stand already. So maybe we'll try to put some bandage there and try to support that little soft tissue, and let's see if we can bring it back.
After a good clean, Maru applied a sterile hydrogel to keep the wounds moist. To minimise the risk of infection and encourage the healthy tissue to grow, she then used a hydrocolloid dressing secured in place with a bandage.
Let's just coordinate the worst. Which one was the worst one? This one. Better. Perfect. Ah.
Once the moorhen was moved to an enclosure, it didn't take long before it was up on its feet in search of food.
So we're just gonna reassess the moorhen. The wound is looking much better, but there is a couple of areas of necrosis, so we're gonna debride the wound and we're gonna cover it with hydrocolloid dressings.
It was important for Maru to debride the wounds, as this allowed the healthy tissue to continue to grow. It would have been a painful procedure, so performing this under a light anaesthetic helped reduce the stress on the bird. Once the bandages were in place, the moorhen was moved into an incubator whilst it came round from the anaesthetic. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications of our latest content. If you want to help us save wildlife, please donate. Every pound you give will help us to save more wildlife.